All right, folks, let's talk about the management IP. Basically, it's the VIP entrance to your Palo Alto device. First, knowing why it's important helps you avoid networking nightmares. Then, we'll crack open the CLI and fetch system details with a nifty command. Spotting the management IP in the output is key. And finally, a quick verification ensures your setup isn't leading to a dead end. Let's dive in. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Welcome to the world of the Palo Alto CLI. Think of it as the steering wheel of your firewall, way more precise than a GUI. CLI offers speed, flexibility, and control, making troubleshooting a breeze. Sure, clicking buttons is nice, but real tech pros prefer typed commands. By the end, you'll see why mastering CLI makes you the wizard of network management. Imagine your management IP as the control room. It's how you communicate with your firewall remotely. This IP lets admins monitor, configure, and troubleshoot the device from anywhere, making life a lot easier. Secure configurations, absolutely critical. Without proper management access, it's like flying blind in a storm. Trust me, keeping track of this IP will save your sanity. Now let's step into the CLI. To access it, you'll need to log in, either through SSH or a direct console connection. Of course, a strong admin password is your best friend here. No password 123 allowed. Once inside, you'll navigate different modes to control configurations. We'll run a few commands, and I promise, it's easier than convincing your coffee machine to brew stronger. Let's talk commands. These little words hold a lot of power. Show system info gives us the rundown on device stats, while configure lets us tweak settings. Commit ensures changes take effect, and exit is your grand farewell. Use these wisely, or your firewall might just ignore your requests like a moody teenager. Let's start with a command every network admin loves: show interface management. Think of it like checking the pulse of your network. It shows real-time details, helps you spot performance hiccups, and gives you a quick glance at connectivity health. And let's be honest, who doesn't like feeling like a network detective? Knowing your network interface details is like knowing the specs of your car. You wouldn't drive without understanding its fuel efficiency, right? Here, we check IPs, status, and speed, ensuring everything runs smoothly. And when something goes wrong, well, knowing these details turns you into a network superhero. A RP, the secret handshake between IP and MAC addresses. This command lets you peek behind the curtain to see who's talking to whom in your network. It's great for catching sneaky, unauthorized devices and debugging network problems. Think of it as the guest list for your exclusive network party. The show ARP management command is like a backstage pass to your RP cache. It reveals IP-MAC mappings and even helps in sniffing out those dreaded duplicate IPs. Ever had two devices fighting over an IP like kids over a toy? This command clears up the chaos and restores order. Troubleshooting management, IP issues can be frustrating, like searching for a missing sock. But fear not, we check configurations, resolve IP conflicts, and verify settings to keep the network running smoothly. With the right diagnostics, finding the issue is easier than finding that sock. Good management interface practices are like brushing your teeth. You do them daily to prevent major issues. Secure access, timely updates, and log monitoring keep things safe. And let's not forget redundancy, because backups are lifesavers when things go south. We covered key management commands, troubleshooting methods, and best practices, all essential for a well-run network. Whether it's a RP, interface details, or security, staying proactive is key. Now go forth, manage that network like a pro, and remember, a happy network is a fast network. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.